अब पता चलेगा ना कि स्ट्रीम हो रही है नहीं हो रही है। तो स्ट्रीम होती है तो इट्स वेरी गुड। हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से लाइव हो गया मैं। ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो? नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर शैलेंद्र आपके सामने मैं ये लेके आया हूँ वीडियो about the amino acid. Amino acid, as you know, it's a very important functionally. So अगर हम बात करें जो भी प्रोटीन्स होती है, प्रोटीन की जो पूरी बायोकेमिस्ट्री होती है, दैट इज टोटली रिलेटेड विद दिस बायोकेमिस्ट्री, दैट इज अमाइनो एसिड बायोकेमिस्ट्री. Understanding understanding amino acid biochemistry is really essential to understand their folding mechanism, their properties, their behavior. So we must know the classification a little bit. And before going to the classification, what we can see, we will study why the amino acid is called as residue. Because amino acid is combining, they are going to form the actual peptide bond. Okay, so they are going to form the peptide bond. Okay, by leaving one molecule of water. So amino acid, if you see amino acid and then amino acid plus amino acid, they are going to form the peptide bond. Okay, so this peptide bond, and then they are connecting to the long chain of amino acid. They are going to form various kind of protein: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Okay, so all these kind of proteins are here, and but before going to into the detail of protein plus, then we should see how the amino acid can be classified. So amino acid can be classified into the following group. Here you can see non-polar type, right? Non-polar means there is no polarity, there is no charge. These are non-polar, means they are not soluble in water also. If they are charged, they can be soluble. So alanine, glycine, isolation, leucine, methionine, proline, valine, all these are kind of non-polar amino acids, you can see, right? So if you see the carboxylic, there are two type of amino acid, carboxy aspartic acid and glutamic acid. I will tell you the relevance of these amino acid. If you are talking about the amines arginine, histidine and lysine. So you could remember alanine are of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 type. Okay, so 7 में you can learn this like ऐसे याद कर सकते हो जैसे AGI है ना. एक बंदा अपनी वाइफ को बुला रहा है तो AGI वो बोलती है, ऐसे याद कर सकते AGI है ना. एंड देन क्या लाई, मेथी लाई, राइट. तो ऐसे आप याद कर सकते हो. देन प्रोलिन वायलिन को याद करने के लिए इसमें कनेक्ट कर सकते हो कि वाह, है ना, वाह क्या बात है, आपने तो सारा सारा कुछ ले आए, है ना. प्रोलिन वायलिन, तो ये याद कर सकते हैं. अमाइन, आर्जिनाइन, हिस्टिडीन, लाइसिन. एरोमेटिक अगर देखोगे फिनाइलिन, ट्रिप्टोफैन एंड टायरोसिन, ये सारे एरोमेटिक अमीनो एसिड, राइट. हाइड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप अटैच्ड होता है. एरोमेटिक मतलब दे आर कंटेनिंग द बेंजीन ग्रुप टाइप स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, एंड दीज आर amines, arginine, histidine. They are very important for various point of view, from the structural and functional both. They are very important point of view from the examination point of view also. So hydroxyl, serine, threonine, tyrosine you can see. Other is the asparagine, cysteine, glutamine, cellulocystine and pyrrolysine. These are the special type of amino acid. We will study later about this. Okay. So now you can see we can classify based on the function about two type of amino acid, essential and non-essential. Okay, so essential, these are essentially required from the outside source, and if you're talking about the non-essential, so all they are non-essential because they are synthesized inside the body. They are synthesized inside the body. Okay. So if you'll see about detailing about the amino acids, so what we can see, basic structural unit of proteins, yes, because without amino acid you cannot form a protein, right? So what is the common between all amino acid? All they have NH2, COH and H. I can show you the structure. Now you can see the structure. This is the NH3, this is CO minus and H. These are the common, right? These are the common structure. But what is different? This R is different for all type of amino acid. ठीक है, okay? Got the idea? Any question by anyone? So you can understand and you can tell me if there is anything special or anything problem. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm writing hi. If anyone is there, they can come into the chat box. I think everything is going fine. And also there is a method of counting these amino acids. All right. If you are the biology student, then you can understand well, because this is a function group. Always they are given the number 1, and this is the second carbon, central carbon, right? Central carbon I have discussed. This is the central carbon, and these 3 amino acids are, these 3 function group are common. For example, NH3, then COH and H. R is different in all kinds of amino acid, right? So here function group is 1 and this is the second, and always this is the alpha group. Okay. So attached to this CH is, if anything, for example, this is CH2, then this will be the beta. I'm writing with the red pen, okay, so that you can understand. This is alpha, this is beta, okay. And again, if you are attaching them with the next methyl group, then this will be the gamma, okay. This is the 2, 3rd, 4th carbon will be gamma. Then again, if you are attaching with the CH2, this will be delta, and again if you are attaching with the CH2, this will be eta. So in this way we are going to understand the structure of lysine. So many times this is asked in the examination about the lysine, that this is a amino acid or amino acid, okay. So sometimes they are asking from the point of view if this is alpha, beta, gamma, or beta or eta. So because the second NH3 is attached with this eta, delta eta, okay. So this is the second, this is the first NH3. You got the idea? If you have any question, you can leave the message, okay. I will answer whenever I free, or you can WhatsApp me at this number to enroll for the classes. And we are from Merit Life Sciences, okay. Merit Life Sciences. So we are delivering the lecture both in Hindi and English for the next set classes, for the Cambridge School, for the NEET Bio, okay. And definitely our charges are very nominal, or you can subscribe on the YouTube and you can get all that thing. So I think we should proceed, because protein is the building block of life. You can see many of the complex things are made up of because of these amino acids, okay. So different property are there. You can see the silk has a different property than the spider web. Horns is found in the cattle, you know, and इनको हिंदी में सींग भी बोलते हैं. Spider web मकड़ी का जो जाला होता है, antibiotic. All these are the proteins, but all their property are different. Why? Have you think why their property are different? Toxins that can kill anybody. So all the building blocks is same. You will surprise. Amino acid. Enzyme is made up of amino acid. Antibody is made up of amino acid. Hormones is made up of amino acid. Membrane is made up of amino acid. Hemoglobins. Okay. So all these are made up of amino acid. But what about the difference? Why there is a difference? So I am stopping here to check the quality, and then we will revert back again. Thank you. Bye bye.